Here's how you can download non-copyrighted songs with Chrome on your phone. So let's begin. First open Chrome and go to pixabay.com and then click on the search icon and search for pixabay.com, then put a slash and type in music. Now, it will take you to this site which has thousands of completely free royalty-free tracks you can use anywhere without copyright issues. So use the search bar to find the type of music you need. Type something like cinematic, lo-fi or upbeat, search for it. Now, you will get results for your search term. Now, simply play any one of these. So you can click on the play icon to preview any one of these music. Now, if I'd want to download any one of these, I'll simply tap the download button right next to it. Once I click download, that specific track will be instantly downloaded onto my PC. Just the same way, you can click on download icon after another one and that MP3 file saves straight to your phone's download folder. So that's how you download non-copyrighted songs with Chrome on your phone. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.